Now turn it over, Rosalie. Rosalie, you gotta hold it by the string. That doesn't...
That doesn't work. You gotta hold it by the string. She dents the table.
Yeah.
There we go.
Alright, where's your daddy?
Oh, there it goes. Pick it up. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. No, I said ring the bell, not don't eat the bell.
Ding, 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 ding. Gotta hold it by the string. Hold it by the string.
She can officially collect change at a grocery store.